The top block shows a real number subtraction, division, and square root block in ladder logic for reference. The bottom block shows the equivalent statement list code. The check of the OV or overflow bit, save, and clear instructions, as well as the check of the BR or binary result bit, is the equivalent to the enable out of the subtract block and division block. Notice here, monitoring is turned on. If checking for overflow is not important to your calculation, the code can be greatly simplified. The 7 lines of code shown in network 15 of the bottom block will perform the same calculation without overflow checks as the 26 lines of code from network 14. Let's change the monitoring view to display floating point numbers. Right-click in Accumulator 1's column. Select Representation and choose Floating Point. Let's also set Accumulator 2's display to Floating Point. In Network 15, MD500 is loading the floating point number 2.234 times 10 to the 4th power into Accumulator 1. MD504 is loading 2.25 times 10 to the 2nd power into Accumulator 1, and the previous value bumps into Accumulator 2. The subtract as real numbers instruction performs Accumulator 2 minus Accumulator 1 and stores the result in Accumulator 1. The result is sitting in Accumulator 1, so there's no need to store it anywhere. The real number 100.0 is loaded. The divide as real numbers instruction divides the previous result by 100 and places the result 2.212 times 10 to the 2nd power in Accumulator 1. The SQRT instruction takes the square root of the value in Accumulator 1 and places the result 1.487 times 10 to the 1st power, or 14.87, back in Accumulator 1. This value is then transferred to MD516. This concludes the real number math example for STL.